Hello everyone. Let's talk about artificial intelligence. As we all know about AI and AI tools, we use AI tools in our day-to-day life. First of all, basically AI means machines that help us to think, do our task easily. They are used for design for automating tasks, boost productivity, creativity, and for research. Some of the AI tools, as students, we use ChatGPT, Perplexity AI, Google Gemini are the AI tools that we use in our day-to-day life. Hello Pravalika, how are you?
Hi Manuja, I'm fine.
Do you know about artificial intelligence?
Yeah, I know about it, but can you explain it briefly?
Yeah. AI is used in our day-to-day life. AI is a platform that can think, create and help us to do our task easily. They are designed for creativity, boosting productivity and accelerating research.
Can you say some AI tools that every student can use?
Yeah, the tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity AI, Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, GitHub Copilot, Gamma are the main tools that are used by the students.
So as you mentioned that AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini, can you explain it in briefly?
Yeah, we as students use AI mainly for studying, to get explanation for difficult topics, to summarize long topics, to translate languages and to get practice questions for exams and to get ideas for the essays and presentations and to organize our notes and research. These will save our time and improve our learning.
I think you are discussing about AI tools. Can you give me a live example?
Yeah. Now I will give you a live example of using AI tool. This is Gamma. Here in this we can generate PPTs, posters, templates, everything. I will give you example by generating PPT. Here we can click generate. Here we have cards. This is for selecting our slides. So I am selecting 5 slides. And here we have to give our prompt. I am giving construction technologies and we have to click generate outline. So here we have the number of cards that we have selected. After the cards have come, we have to click generate. If they are okay, we have to click generate so that our PPT will be generated. See, you can see that our PPT is generating very fast and quick, and there are some images also will be placed in it according to our content. There will be lot of information than we know in this, so that we can know our extra information about this and we can learn from it. And this is fast and quick, and it helps us to save our time and it helps us to learn more. Here from construction technologies, it has generated presentation in within few seconds and with advanced information and technologies that are used in throughout the world, and this AI plays a major role in transforming new innovations.
Thank you, Manaja, for giving